Argentina looking good and strong. Pratik, they are looking strong. They are not holding, they are not defending. They are trying to come out. And यही सबसे पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है अभी के लिए मेरे पास. ये हरामखोर क्या कर रहा था? अकुनिया कुत्ता. ये क्या है? फ्लिक करते हो तुम कमीने. पासिंग करने नहीं आ रही यहाँ पे. Deep ball again, a foul on Neymar. Man, come on, नहीं, you don't need to do that. ये अकुनिया चूतिया कर क्या रहा था? वो फ्लिक करके पैर. किसको पास करना चाहते हो? बरबटाऊ बन रहे हो, ज़लाटान बन रहे हो, हरामखोर. Deep ball on the ball. Deep ball looks to give a long ball. Deep ball बॉल डाल दिए. डी मारिया ने बॉल. डी मारिया scored the goal. Yes, Argentina scored the goal. भाई साहब, yes, holy shit, Argentina scored a goal. Look at that pass from deep ball. Holy shit, yes. Yeah. Oh baba. Oh भाई साहब. Look at the pass. Look at the flick. Look at the chip from Di Maria. Look at that भाई. 1-0 Argentina. There you go. First blood has been drawn. Argentina playing good football. Argentina playing with passion. Argentina playing with spirit. And Brazil is on the back foot. भाई आदित्य इतनी खुशी. वैसे भाई ज्यादा खुश ना हो भाई. निको होता तो कहाँ ही हो. अरे मेरे भाई प्रवीण किसको याद दिला दिया. प्लीज प्रवीण भाई, निकोलस गोंजालेस का नाम लेके ये स्ट्रीम को अपवित्र मत करिए प्लीज. डी मारिया. हाँ भाई अब पवित्र हो गई. ठीक है, गुड.
जब गोल पड़ गया तो ज्यादा ही फट रही है.
अब गोल, हाँ भाई हाँ, गोल पड़ गया तो ज्यादा ही फट रही है. अबे हराम खोर टकले ओटामेंडी. इस तरीके से खेलोगे तो सुशांत बख्शी अपने बच्चे का नाम नहीं रखेगा फिर ओटामेंडी. गुड, ये हुई ना बात. मेसी लुक टू पास इट इन. मेसी passes it to लेफ्ट हैंड फ्लैंक पे Acuna again passes it to Di Maria. Very good ball by Acuna. Di Maria. Chance and defended. Chance. Good. This is Argentina. They are going good by Argentina. On the ball, very good fighting spirit दिखा रही है यहाँ पे Argentina. Messi with a challenge. Messi का lunging challenge. That was on the ball. Not a foul. No, not a foul. Shouldn't stop. The play shouldn't stop. Deep ball on the ball. Messi का sliding challenge देख रहे हो तुम यहाँ पे. हराम खोर कुत्ता बना दिया वहाँ पे सरक के मेसी ने. सर खेला है, सरक. ट्रस्ट. गुड, बहुत आराम से. वेरी गुड. टीम क्लैप्स. टीम ऐसे कंपोज. पैनिक नहीं करना है भाई. अटैक करेगी भाई ब्राजील. अटैक नहीं करेगी तो क्या करेगी? मेसी ऑन द रन. मेसी ऑन द रन. मेसी विद अ शूट. Very nearly. And that was appeared to be as a foul by Marquinhos. And Neymar again trying to pass it. Neymar with Paqueta. क्या पाई बॉल तो चुरा लिया है तुमने जो बॉल को. लुतारो मार्टिनेज कंट्रोल. हराम खोर. टच ले. जंप. Zlatan vibes. DePaul is a joy भाई. प्रेरित obviously. DePaul is making those challenges. DePaul is making those balls. मजा आ रहा है भाई. ओ भाई चांस again यहाँ पे. Don't let him turn. Very good. Good defending. Very good. Emiliano Martinez. Very good. पता है क्या होगा? They would be defending. We would be defending. क्योंकि ब्राजील अटैक करेगी भाई. अटैक ब्राजील करेगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि गेम में कुछ ऐसा मोमेंट आएगा जहाँ पे हम टोटली डोमिनेट कर रहे होंगे. पैचेस होंगे डोमिनेशन के, बट ब्राजील अल्टीमेटली विल अटैक. ब्राजील सिट बैक नहीं करेगी. होम पे गेम है. दे वुड पुट men forward, they would commitment forward, they would want to attack. बस हमें उन मोमेंट्स पे क्या करना है ना, उन मोमेंट्स पे पूरा फोकस होके सब कुछ छोड़ के भूल के प्रॉपर्ली हमें डिफेंड करना है. उसका कुछ पीने के लिए ला दो. थैंक यू सो मच. नेमार. डिफेंड. Offside. बच गया.
Richarlison breaks towards the box. Richarlison tries to square. Richarlison equalises. There's a flag. Brazil and Richarlison could be denying their equaliser. It's a big mistake by Otamendi.
चेक होगा. ग्रेट अंपायरिंग. ऑफसाइड है. अबे अंपायरिंग नहीं, रेफरिंग कहते हैं उसको मेरे भाई. Neymar coming inside. Neymar, अबे भाई. Richarlison. Emi Martinez.
Brazil knocking on the door and Richarlison again denied. This
Acuna,
time
where the fuck are you, man? Where the fuck are you? You have to look at your marker. You have to be at your marker. What the hell are you doing? Acuna, इनको पता चल गया Acuna is the weak link over here. Even Montiel is doing fine. Tagliafico लाओ भाई. Tagliafico लाना पड़ेगा. Chance again. Good defending. Chance. Neymar. Good. Neymar गिर गया. हराम खोर गिरता क्यों है इतना? उठ. Fuck Ballon d'Or. I said that. Yes, I said that. It doesn't really matter. This trophy matters. This trophy is all that matters because I want to see that lad get his hands on some trophy, some silverware from Argentina मेरे भाई. आज रोते हुए नहीं देखना है भाई. लुटारो मार्टिनेज, इस तरीके का टच तुम लोगे ना हराम खोर, पट्टे मारूंगा मैं तुम्हें। तगलफीको आ चुका है पिच पे, गंदा हरकत हो रही भाई, तगलफीको आ चुका है। यही देखो, यही होना था। आई टोल्ड यू गाइस कि यहाँ पे तगलफीको आएगा, अकुनिया ऊपर खेलेगा लेफ्ट। अबे विनीसियस आते ही हरामखोरी करने लग गया, ये क्या कर रहे हो विनीसियस?
तो धक्का दिया है।
डिफेंडिंग प्लीज, मॉन्टियल हेडेड अवे, वेरी गुड। डी मारिया, वेरी गुड डिफेंडिंग गाइस, गुड डिफेंडिंग, गुड मूवमेंट आउट फ्रॉम द बैक। विनीसियस ऑन द बॉल है यहाँ पे, वाह सही मॉन्टियल मेरे भाई, क्या बात है, मॉन्टियल लग गया यहाँ पे। डी मारिया, ठीक है,
ऐसे मत करो।
डी पॉल ने बॉल निकाल दी डी मारिया के लिए, वेरी गुड। डी मारिया ऑन दी बॉल, आराम से पीछे रखो, वेरी गुड भाई, आराम से, बाय मूवमेंट भाई साहब, वेरी गुड बॉल। फाउल ऑन डी मारिया, दैट्स गुड, दैट्स फुटबॉल। अर्जेंटीना जान दे रही है मेजबान, एग्जैक्टली भाई। द फर्स्ट टाइम दे आर लीडिंग इन अ फाइनल विद लियोनेल मेसी, जान तो देना पड़ेगा, जान से कम इस मैच में कुछ नहीं भाई। स्पिरिट ईच एंड एवरीवन, बट ज्यादा स्पिरिट नहीं देना है हमें, पेनाल्टी नहीं दे देनी उन लोगों को भाई। नेमार पे फाउल है एंड ओटामेंडी को ढकेल दिया यहाँ पे रिचार्लिसन ने। अब भाई अब मजा आ रहा है ना भाई मेरे, दिस इज द फाइनल। देख सकते हो यहाँ पे लड़ाई हो चुकी है, बंदे मार रिपीट कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को। थियागो सिल्वा यहाँ पे क्लियर कर रहा है, ओटामेंडी एमरसन से झगड़ रहा है, विनीसियस जूनियर हरामखोरी कर रहा है। अबे छोटू 20 साल का लौंडा, धक धक तो हो रहा है भाई चिराग। Only 9 minutes. ओ भाई बॉल डल गई है पीछे से, गुड टैकल। पेज़ेला ओटामेंडी विद द टैकल भाई। सुशांत रेडी हो जा भाई, तेरा बेटा ओटामेंडी बख्शी आने वाला है भाई। छोटू सा इतना बड़ा सा ओटामेंडी बख्शी, चांस हेडेड अवे। ओ भाई we are 5 minutes or so away from victory and धक धक कर रहा सुनाई दे रहा है रामू काका for Ballon d'Or. Give it. Neymar. Save Emiliano Martinez. Save. Emiliano Martinez save. Gabi goal shot. भाई. Headed away by Guido Rodriguez. नेमार ऑन दी बॉल, नेमार ट्राइंग टू शूट अगेन, नेमार इधर उधर बस उड़ा रहा है बॉल, वेरी गुड। गिदो ने बॉल डाल दिया पे, मेसी पास बॉल यहाँ पे, मेसी अलोन ऑन दी बॉल, मेसी वुड लुक टू रन, मेसी भाग रहा है, भाग दी के बॉस, मेसी ने बॉल डाल दी यहाँ पे, राइट हैंड फ्लैग पे डीपॉल को बॉल है यहाँ पे, डीपॉल हैज द बॉल, डीपॉल वुड टू पास इट टू मेसी, डीपॉल ने मेसी बॉल दी, मेसी
Oh, he just couldn't get the ball out from under his feet.
क्या कर रहा था?
too much thinking,
क्या कर
too much thinking. We had a chance. We had a good chance. We had a good opening. We could have won this. We could have wrapped this up. What the hell happened?
क्या सोच रहा था?
What the hell happened, man?
नहीं।
Good challenge from Guido Rodriguez. अभी तक we still have to defend. Very good, bhai. Very good. It's coming home. 1 minute. Brazil पागल हो चुका है. मैंने बोला था तुम्हें क्या? What did I say? That Brazil will go all nuts. फट रही है मेरे भाई, फट रही है. Nothing more matters today. Nothing more matters to all of us that are watching in support of Argentina. Imagine the pressure, guys. Imagine the pressure the players are in right now. Imagine the caliber of this game. Argentina versus Brazil, the final of the fucking Copa America, and Argentina on the dying minutes. रजनी कह रहा है कि इसने टीवी बंद कर दिया, चक्कर आ रहा भाई, I'm going dizzy. भाई साहब, I cannot take this भाई. Foul. Very good. Foul आ गया. Foul आ चुका है यहाँ पे. Argentina needs to spend 2 more minutes. The ball chance था. Into stop. Neymar को गिरा दो. Neymar को पकड़ गिरा. Messi fouling Neymar again. Neymar is not stopping. Tackle. Yes, the ball is with us. Very good. Pass कर दो आगे. Yes, we have got a chance now. The ball on the ball. The ball slow deck. Cut ले. Very good. The ball. Very good. Messi ने निकाल ली है बॉल आगे. Messi with the ball. What a touch from Leo, but the ball has gone in for a touch.
Tries to clip it down the line. And then just
93 minutes. 2 minutes away. Defend, guys. 2 minutes. That's all matters. Good defending tag. Good. Foul हो गया क्या? नहीं. Ball बाहर गई. Happening. This is happening. For fuck's sake, this is happening.
1 मिनट और बस 1 मिनट और.
Come on. Throw in for us.
Guys, हो
फेंक दो दूर, मेरे घर फेंक दो बॉल, हराम खोर, मेरे घर पे थ्रो इन ले यार. फेंक दे दूर, फेंक दे बॉल. फाउल हो गया. Very good.
सेकंड और.
Very good, guys, it's happening, guys. Casemiro gave up, literally. You can see the pressure, you can see it mounting up, man. Just 30 odd seconds, guys, it's coming. Chance.
seem to hang over this.
मारते उड़ा दे.
So long.
Copa America final, we won it, yes. Holy shit, we did it, guys. We did it. winning Copa America. Yes, we have a trophy. Yes, we have done it. Holy shit. Holy shit. Maro Ramuka को मारो. Yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit. अबे इसकी माँ की आँख. इसकी माँ की आँख. ओ भाई साहब. ओ भाई साहब इधर. Oh भाई साहब, we have won it. Oh भाई साहब, Copa America. We have won the Copa America title. 7th Ballon d'Or incoming, guys. Holy shit, we've done it. We have done it. Neymar defeated Messi with a win. And look at what it means for us. Look what it means for us. This means the world. Look at them surrounding Lionel Messi, hugging him, holding him, embracing him. This is football. This is what we wanted. Oh my God. Ramu Kaka is crying. Ramu Kaka is crying. Oh bye. Look at this. Look at this. What this means. This means everything after everything. 10 whole fucking years of football. This is what we wanted to see. And there we got it. Our final trophy is over here. And we have done it. We have fucking done it. Argentina are the Copa America champions. You fuckers. Fuck, we did it. This.
मतलब लाइक बस उसको देखो वो कितना खुश है अभी.
Exactly, man. We have seen him cry and cry time and time again. Every single time that Glad has suffered because of its pathetic team, because of Higuain, because of his misses, because of many more things. But Aaj, we delivered it, man. We delivered it. And look at Neymar. He's crying, man. Good game, Neymar. That guy gave everything, man. Respect to Neymar. Respect to that guy. And look at them celebrating with Lionel Messi. This is a sight. You have to frame this. You have to put it on your wall. If you don't, this won't go do justice with football. And that's what you'll love to see this.
अरे बाप रे.
Hurt and happiness. Two sides of football. Like two sides of coin.
Finally.
One is in anguish. One is in jubilance. One looks up to the God and says thank you. One looks up to the God and says why me? And look at this. He has done it.
Receives his
He has fucking
on
done
the
it.
stage.
Nobody would say otherwise. An international trophy is here. For us. It's here.
मतलब अब नहीं
It's home. Diego Maradona finally resting in peace, man. Hats off to Martinez. Hats off to each and everyone. To each and every single player who has played, mere bhai. This moment, look at that guy jump, look at that guy celebrate, and he will get his hands on that gleaming trophy. That kid from Rosario with a growth deficiency hormone takes his team to the final of the Copa America. God is indeed great, and the gods have arrived in the Maracanã Stadium against Brazil, and they have delivered. Look at Messi. Straight away he goes down and goes into weep. Oh, bhai saab. Oh, bhai saab. Matlab, as soon as he heard the final whistle go, as soon as he heard, he couldn't do anything but just go down to the ground and hold his face and cry. And DePaul comes running out to him, and everybody comes and they're lifting Messi in jubilation. They are lifting him up. फेंक रहे हैं मेसी को. He cannot understand कि वो रोए, कि वो हंसे, कि वो celebrate करे. You gotta feel happy for this guy. For the least, for football, you gotta feel at least a single thing, some sense of happiness that yes. Look at Otamendi after everything that they have gone to, after all the criticism, after every single loss. Look at them. They've made it over here, bhai. Otamendi Bakshi coming soon as a footballer field in near you. Otamendi Bakshi. Oh man, please save yourself. Please don't do that, man. Please don't do that to your kid. Please. And Messi with the golden ball. There you go, guys. Messi best player. Who else but Leo Messi? And look at that, man. Look at that moment. Messi carrying that golden ball. I think top scorer as well. Yeah, top scorer award as well. एक और है भाई, वो उसको वापस बुलाते हैं. अबे ये दे जाओ. ये वापस रखो and take this, man. Holy shit. Imagine. अबे साले घर छोटा पड़ जाएगा ट्रॉफी रखने के लिए. And here come Argentina, भाई. Bye, build up. We are gonna see Lionel Messi lifting the trophy, man. There you go, guys. There is the trophy, and there is my man. Lifting it up. Dramatics. Yes.
The wait is over.
Argentina are the Copa America winners. You can see this. That's the sight for sore eyes, and that's Leo Messi for you. Copa America title, Copa America winners. That's beauty. Look at this, man. Look at this. The celebrations are epic. Maracanã pe Brazil ko harana on their home ground. Holy shit, man. Look at this side. The teams, I never imagined this, man. But look at this. To see this in the real life, I never thought that this would happen.